Why? You guys are coming with me on a vacation. No, I'm just kidding. It's not a vlog. It's a makeup tutorial where I'm getting ready on this mini trip with you guys. स्वागत है आपका लविष्का पे. अगर आप यहाँ नए आए हैं, so please consider subscribing for amazing content. Let's begin. So my skin is feeling a little bit dry, so I'm using this Chemist at Play serum, pore minimizing hyaluronic acid serum, just to hydrate my skin really well. Generously taking 2-3 drops of the serum, warming it up and just pat it on my skin. As you can see, all the redness जो भी थी वो जा चुकी है. Don't forget to bring it down to the neck as well, and let's wait for it to get absorbed by the skin. Let's give an extra shot of hydration with this Nivea Soft cream. आप सबको पता है, it's my favorite. Let's warm it up. यहाँ पे मैं एकदम travel friendly छोटू पैक में लाई हूँ Nivea. Okay, स्किन केयर का लास्ट स्टेप है sunscreen, which is the most important one. I'm trying here the new Sunscreen Serum from Pilgrim, and I really liked it. It was so hydrating on my skin. अब भाई मैंने इतना hydrated skin care किया. Let's just go with the gel primer, focusing on my T-zone. और जो बच गया वो मैंने बाकी की स्किन को पिला दिया. For foundation, I'm going on with a classic Maybelline Fitme matte poreless foundation, and we'll just dot it out on my entire face, like evenly, not forgetting your neck. We'll take a beauty blender. Let's damp the beauty blender by this Faces Canada fixer spray and blend my base flawlessly. Doing this, your foundation will look skin-like and super smooth. Okay, for concealer, I'm going on this Sugar waterproof concealer. I just love it. You can see my reaction in the video. Concealer's wand is just like any other normal wand, but it gives a wonderful matte finish, and it does not crease at all if you hydrate your skin well. You see the difference? Okay, so now for setting, I'm using this translucent compact powder again from Sugar, and I will bake my under eyes with this as well, using the puff which comes with the compact, and will generously set my entire face. Now taking some warm nude, like nude colors from the eyeshadow palette on a fluffy eyeshadow brush, and will put it in my crease as a transition shade, dusting off all the translucent powder, extra powder. Now as the weather is a bit rainy, and also I'm shooting a monsoon hack video which is up on the shorts. अगर नहीं देखा है तो please ज़रूर जाके देखो. And so I'm using a waterproof kajal, Sugar kajal. I've applied the kajal on my lower lash line, also on my upper lash line. Not very precise, like just close to my lash line, upper water line. वो कहते हैं ना एकदम सुरमई आंखें, हम वो बनाने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं इधर. Next up, we are smudging the kajal with a flat brush, the upper water line. Smudged eye looks आजकल कुछ ज़्यादा ही trend में है, and also we'll smudge our water lash line with a brown eyeshadow. Next up, we'll create a slight short wing using this pen waterproof eyeliner from Sugar. Just a tad bit, not too dramatic. Also creating the inner corner. Going on with Sugar's volumizing mascara. इसका जो wand है ना वो hourglass shape का है, and it really defines and gives the thickness to your eyelashes, giving you all the drama, you see. It's time for blush. I'm taking this face palette from Sugar in the shade 02. We'll take the blush and we'll apply in a lifted manner, avoiding any contours because come on, I'm on vacay, baby. Okay, going on with some highlighter from the same face palette on my high points, like nose bridge, cheekbones and brow bone with my fingers itself. Okay, so I'm ditching a gloss today and going on with a Smudge Me Not lipstick from Sugar in the shade Fairy Berry. It's a bold, attention-seeking brownie color. And I am done with this look. This is my finished look. I just paired it with some accessories. I hope you guys love, like and enjoyed this look. Please consider subscribing for more such content. Until then, bye bye.